Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn X sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9th to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn? Under the deck, Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, Nine of Swords, and Ten of Wands. Capricorn, you are feeling overburdened here. Maybe you have so many responsibilities right now in your life. Or for some, your emotions are running high. Definitely, you are feeling overburdened here. And you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Lot of overthinking is going here. You are losing your nights on someone or something. And you want to start something new in your life. And for some, there is a fresh new start is coming for you. New beginnings, maybe especially in your career, new opportunities, new beginnings. Page of Wands, there is some communication, some text is coming, and for some, you both have age difference between you and your person. And one person in this connection is very good looking. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Six of Wands, Queen of Cups, and King of Wands. In recent past, everything was okay because Six of Wands, you got success for your hard work, you got recognition, and you have very strong emotions towards your person, and you were on your power in recent past because King of Wands. So everything was okay in recent past. There were no issues at all. Then present, King of Cups, Six of Cups, and Nine of Wands. See, King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. Definitely both have very strong emotions towards each other, and you both have past life connection with each other because Six of Cups, especially you have more emotions towards your person. You're thinking about them a lot, but here you are not expressing. You are introvert, Nine of Wands, but you have very strong emotions towards your person, but you are not expressing. Due to some reasons, for some you are maybe introvert. Then future, Knight of Wands, the Magician, and Emperor. So someone is coming into your life. For some, it could be a brand new person. This person have a lot of passion towards you, and you are manifesting something big into your life. You will be in the Magician energy in future, and the Emperor. Definitely, you are on your power, the Emperor mode. Maybe some of you will have ego also because you are in Emperor. That's why you're not expressing your emotions here. Nine of Wands with Emperor. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Capricorn. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Hangman. Maybe they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you. Yeah, definitely they're stuck on you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Capricorn. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Their current feelings and intentions towards you. So let's see their intentions also. Yes, they're not expressing their true emotions. Under the deck, Ace of Wands, Ten of Cups, the Fool, Death. Maybe some of you are in separation. It is one type of ending between you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with the Scorpio here, Capricorn. So some of you, those who are in separation, they want rebirth. They want a brand new beginnings with you because the Fool card is here. And Ten of Cups, definitely they want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you. For some third party involved, for some your person is already married. And Ace of Wands, definitely they want passionate new beginnings with you. Those who are in separation, those who are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So their current feelings: Four of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. So right now your person is juggling, but they want this celebration with you. Four of Wands, and they want to take action. But some of you, maybe your person is juggling right now, or they're trying to balance things in their life. Yeah. And their intentions: Ace of Cups, Four of Cups, and Queen of Swords. They do love you for sure, because Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing and they are missing you, but they are not showing their emotions because they are in Emperor, Queen of Swords energy. So they're being cold with you, some of you, but this is not the truth. They do love you. They have deep feelings for you because Ace of Cups is here and Queen of Swords, but they are not showing their emotions. But they do love you. They are missing you a lot and they want to take action. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Capricorn. Knight of Wands. The Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. Definitely they are very attracted to you and they're hoping, they're wishing for this connection. And the Emperor. Maybe you both are very stubborn and independent and powerful people here. And Three of Wands, they want some positive growth in this relationship, and lots of you are in a long distance relationship here, living in different cities, countries, or states. Knight of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. I think you are focusing on your money here, Capricorn. You are achieving financial stability, and some situations in your life are going to be changed very fastly, and you will be receiving some communication from someone here, maybe for some from your person and for some from your new person. And Four of Pentacles, maybe you are holding back right now, you don't want to open up emotionally here, but someone is rushing to communicate with you. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Yeah. For some, definitely a new beginning is coming. Wow. Very, very positive ending here, because the Fool, Lovers, and Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands, there is a huge chance for new beginnings. I am seeing lots of you will reconcile if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level, because Ten of Pentacles, Lovers, still there is love between you and your person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Very positive ending. I still love you. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Third party involved. I still love you. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. And third party involved are the messages. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. So right now maybe you're going through a tough cycle. This is the message for you. The end of your tough cycle is going to be approaches, and a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra, definitely for some a new romantic cycle is going to be begin, especially when new moon in Libra. So under the deck, what do you need to release? Waning moon. So if you have any negative emotions or negative thoughts towards your person, you have to release all those negative thoughts, because sometimes negative thoughts and negative emotions also creates resistance in the relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.